Hello everyone, I am Dr. Saurabh Mishra, faculty and Assistant Director at School of Sports Studies, TransStadia University, Ahmedabad. We are proud to present an advanced certificate program in sports management launching on 22nd August 2025 in collaboration with Ahmedabad Management Association at its Vastrapur AMA campus. This is a 10-week program conducted twice a week every Friday and Saturday from 8 to 9:30 a.m. morning batch. It is designed for students, athletes, sports enthusiasts, industry people who wish to build a career in the ever-evolving sports industry. Throughout the program, participants will explore core areas like sports marketing, event management, sponsorship, athlete representation, and sports entrepreneurship. The content is not just curated to give theoretical understanding, but also the practical insights drawn from the real-world experiences. We have structured this course to build a strong foundation in the business and management side of sports, something that is becoming increasingly essential in today's global sports ecosystem.